Hello, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well today and I hope you are having a fantastic day. So right now, the biggest concern everyone is having out there is the US housing market, the 2021 housing market. The question people are asking is, are we going to see a crash? Is this a bubble? Are we in a booming? Yeah, of course, the housing market is booming right now. The housing price is just booming. But is there going to be a crash? That we're going to talk about as we go through. We've touched up on several videos the market conditions, but in today's video, this video is specifically for those who are looking to buy a home in 2021 in the US. So if you are a home buyer or potential prospective home buyer and you are wondering, is now the time to buy a home or should I keep renting? Be sure to watch this video till the very end to avoid missing out on any of these important information. I'm bringing you the research and the data for you to make reasonable deductions on what exactly you need to do right now. So basically, painting the picture, or maybe not painting the picture, showing you what the actual housing market condition is in order for you to make the best decision for yourself and your family. So according to this report from BBC, buyer demand outstrips homes on the market. So what does this mean? This means that there are less homes for every buyer. So there's so much demand right now that, the homes on the market cannot fill that. We've talked about this in several videos. Now, this is a very interesting thing for those of you in the US who are thinking, oh, this is just in the US housing market. No, you got it all wrong. This is a twisted. If you think it's just in the US, you've got it twisted. So here's the deal. According to CNN Business, real estate prices are skyrocketing in rich countries. So across 37 countries in the world that belong to the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, home prices rose by 6.7%. This basically means that for every $1,000 you did see $67 increase. This is what we're seeing right now. So home prices are going up everywhere, not just in America. So I want to get your thoughts on this in the comment section below. Now, here's the other trend that we're seeing right now. Buyers are paying way over asking price. This story from USA Today this blew my mind. I'm going to share this story with you guys here in a second. But before we dive into this story, I just want to welcome all the new viewers. If you are new to this community and you have not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button now. And if you've been watching these videos but have not yet subscribed to the channel, you are really missing out. Hit that subscribe button to avoid missing out on any of these amazing, helpful content for your financial success and financial wellness. Okay, and also one more thing, give this video a thumbs up and share this video with other people to help them get this information quicker. People deserve to know what's going on right now in the housing market, in the economy, as well as how it impacts their pocket and bank account. So let's jump right into this story. This is a very interesting story. Wow, people are really going overboard. I feel like this bidding war is just something that has become a tradition in 2021. So according to this report from USA Today, the real estate market continued to break historic records in April as home prices rose 21% year over year, and the median home price soared. The median home price basically increased, skyrocketed to $348,500 in America. So right now, 21% year over year. But this is the story that blew my mind. So check this out. So according to this report, an agent in Los Angeles area. Now, let me know if you are basically resonating with this report. Let me know by clicking the like button, and also let me know your comments on this story in the comment section below. So in the description section, comment section below. Okay, so a two-bedroom apartment, two-bedroom, two-bath property was listed at $585,000. Well below the market value. And this is a tactic that basically sellers are using right now to catch or trap buyers. So guess what? This went into a bidding war in a super competitive housing market. So a couple offered $620,000. So basically $35,000 over asking price. And You would think they would get the property, right? No, the offer was rejected. So this offer was rejected because this home received 32 other offers. So 32 offers, and I'm sure there are cash offers there, and this is insane. So the sellers looks like they reached out to 5 prospective buyers with the highest bids. So according to this report, this couple that offered $35,000 over asking price had to put in another offer. Remember, the original offer was $35,000 over asking, which brought the total offer or their first offer to $620,000. But the asking price was $585,000. Now check this out. So the couple sent in another offer at $650,000. So this is basically an additional $30,000 over the initial offer, bringing the total number over the asking price to $65,000. That's the market we're in right now. But that's not just that. I mean, this is not just the case. So not only did they put $65,000 over asking, this same couple had to reduce the time frames on inspection. Remember, when you go out to purchase a home, or for those of you who have not purchased a home, you do have a time duration or a period when you have to conduct your inspection. For some states, I think it depends on the state, but typically around 7 days or so. Let me know in the comment section below what it is in your state. But this couple, basically, along with the $65K over asking, did also put in I mean, this is mind-blowing. They did say that they will waive or they will cut down the inspection period. So it didn't specifically say how much they deducted from the inspection period. And they also reduced the appraisal. Wow. They also reduced the appraisal and the loans. So the time frame it takes for the appraisal and the loans, they cut this down. So they increased their down payment. The down payment. So the down payment is what you come with, the deposit you come with. Wow, they increased that by 50%. So they basically doubled their down payment. Well, did I say that right? So they increased their down payment to 50% from the standard 10%. So let's unpack this. It's a little confusing. But according to this report, this same couple had a 10% down payment when they put in the $620,000 offer. So now in the second offer, they chose to put down 20% down. So instead of coming to the table with $62,000 during closing for down payment, now they will be coming to the table with $130,000. So 20% of $650,000. That's what this couple is coming to the table with. So can you see the dramatic increase and how this squeezes people? Now, what if they don't have the money for down payment? Basically, they're out of the game. So this is the market we are facing right now. People are increasing, doubling the down payment, and not just that, waiving contingencies and basically all these concessions, giving the seller all these concessions in order to win this bidding war. So this is crazy right now. They also wrote a letter. People are writing love letters these days to sellers. And when I mean love letters, I'm not talking about the type that you write to your high school crush. No, I'm talking about a letter that's just highlighting why you like the home, why you think this is the perfect home for you and your family, basically trying to sell your self or trying to sell your dream for the home to the seller. So this is crazy. That's what we're seeing right now in 2021. So they also wrote a letter to the sellers highlighting the specific things they loved about the house. So love letters. That's what we're seeing right now. So then this is another story that actually blew my mind. Real quick. I mean, this video is getting long, but real quick. So an agent, a realtor, basically said that she had a client pay $300,000 over asking price for a property that was listed at a little over $1 million. So you have $300,000. That is almost 30% more than the property listing price. This is the condition that we're seeing right now in this market. So given all of this, the biggest question people are asking right now is, are we in a 2008 era all over again? So according to this report from Zillow Research, history is not repeating itself again. And this article goes into basically illustrate or to dissect how this housing market in 2021 is not comparable to what we saw in 2008 during the Great Recession. So according to this report, some quick highlights here is today's housing fundamentals are different. When you talk about supply, demand, and overall financial conditions, it is not the same situation we saw in 2008. And housing supply is extremely tight. Remember, simple economics, supply and demand. So whenever you have a high demand, you're basically going to have an impact on supply and vice versa. So right now, what we're seeing is that the demand will stay as strong as the large millennial generation continues to age into home ownership. So the biggest demographic driving this home prices is the millennial generation. So the millennials are basically moving out of their parents' home at 26, and most millennials who are hitting 34 years old right now are basically going out there looking to buy. I mean, these are among other factors. We've talked about factors such as the labor shortage, material shortage, but right now demand is so high and supply is yet to meet the demand. So let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below. And before you leave, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up and share this video with other people who are looking to buy a home in this market. So I hope I armed you with enough information to decide if you were to buy or to rent. Just remember, this housing market changes every day. I mean, what we're seeing right now is what we have as of today. Be sure to tune in for more updates and also make sure you are subscribed. See you in the next video. Stay safe and thank you for watching.